How you doing, guys? Okay, quick video. Nissan Altima. This 2007 through 2012. This is how you're gonna take it off the door. Okay, I took this door away. It's held by 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a connector that it goes right in here. I'll show you right over here. Okay, so we have a 12 millimeters. You see the bolts right there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and another 10 millimeters. And gonna get a screwdriver and we're gonna pry that plastic. Right behind that plastic, I'm gonna find a connector. All right. There's a click right here. Just push this click and it's out. It's disconnected. All right. Let me see. There is another one over here. It's the front door. Okay. Same. Okay. Disconnected. Then you got the 12 millimeter. Let's put it right there. Get a bigger one. Place it right here to pry. Okay. Take those bolts out. Right there. I unscrewed these ones already, so it's gonna be easy. Got my impact gun, 10 millimeter. Make sure it's going left. All right. All right, we got 2 more right here. Okay, you gotta make sure you have something underneath. And I think it's easy if you start from the bottom all the way up. That way, you know, the door is gonna hold better. Okay, almost there. All right, last screw. Door is completely out. Alright guys, thank you for watching. There you go. The connectors, 4 bolts, easy peasy. Very easy. To put it back, you know, just put it back. Alright guys, have a good day. Thank you for watching.